Hey guys, it's Heather here. Today we are going to be visiting the Hoh Rainforest in Olympic National Park here in Washington State. So we are at the Hoh Rainforest? Is that what it's called? The Hoh?
H-O-H though.
H-O-H, yeah. Rainforest today. And we're gonna see what it's about. I think there's two trails here. So now we are going to the Hall of Mosses. The Hall of Mosses. Holy Moses.
Holy Moses.
Holy Moses. This is a very, very popular attraction. To give you a warning, get here early. Like when it opens, try to get there as soon as it opens because it does fill up really fast. We got there around between 8 and 8:30 and we got in with really no issues. I've heard people that have gotten in like a little later have had to wait 90 minutes to 2 hours to get in. So make sure that you're up bright and early that day and you get there at a great time. Otherwise you are going to have to wait because there's not a lot of parking there, and that's the reason why. So make sure you get there as soon as you could. See any wildlife when we were on this trail. However, there definitely is big wildlife here, so just be aware of your surroundings. Now we're going to do the Spruce Nature Trail, which is beautiful. So now we're down by like the water, the river. There's a river here, I think.
What's moving?
That is moving.
I guess this is when it comes. The vlog first, safety second. Do not try this at home, kids.
White cougar. So yeah, the key to walking down over a creek on a huge little sequoia tree would be what, Dan?
Would be watching out for the cougar.
So there's also a trail called the Hoh River Trail that you can take as well. It is actually a 17.3 mile trail, which is really long. I know you could do part of it, however we just really weren't up to it and we were ready to move on to our next spot on the trip. So that is our visit to the beautiful Hoh Rainforest here in Washington. Absolutely beautiful, peaceful. I definitely think this is worth the trip out. I know it's not mountains and things like that, however I do think it is worth the trip out to check it out while you are here in Washington. Well, our time at Olympic National Park has come to an end. However, it does not end there. We also visited North Cascades National Park and Mount Rainier National Park. I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel and come along on this great adventure. Go comment below, what was your favorite part of the video? Have you ever visited the Hoh Rainforest? If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and give it a like. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok to see more of my travels. Thank you for watching. See you on the next chapter.